once again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time we have a nice machine that we're going to show you. This is one of the best buttonhole sewing machine in the market. One of the best. This is the SE-200. This is a Japanese-made machine, Suzuki E-200, made in Japan, right here. A very nice compact buttonhole machine. You can make this machine into a 24 or 18-inch table, whatever size table you want. If you don't have a space, right now we have it on a 48 by 22 table, but we could cut the table down to only 18 inches. This is the only thing we need. Second thing, this machine is 110 volt, meaning that you could use it anywhere you want, 110 volt only. So it's no problem, you could connect it into any outlet, specially designed for these persons who do suits and jacket, a very fancy jacket, a very nice clean buttonhole. 2-3 different functions that you could do with this. A very nice machine. I want to show you. Look at this clean, nice buttonhole with a cut knife on it. Here it is, a very nice clean buttonhole. On the knife system, this machine comes with 4 different settings on it. So let's say you want to just make a buttonhole and not cut it. You could select sews without cut. Machine could do that. You could also select the machine to cut before you make the buttonhole, or you could have the machine also cut after. Some people like to use the cut before, so the machine will cut. Once it cuts, then it will sew it around. Some people like that type of cut because they said it cleans very perfectly the buttonhole. But that's something that you like it, you don't like it, depends on what you like. The last one that we have here, it's also this machine. You could only cut with a knife. Let's say you have a buttonhole and you want the machine just to cut. You could just select here where it says cut without sew, or cut only, you could just cut it. Here on the top, we have what is called a speed control. This one allows you to make the machine faster or slower. You know, to be honest to you, I truly believe that this machine should be running in the 1900 or 2100 stitches per minute, even though you could go much higher than that, but you want to make sure you get a nice, clean, beautiful buttonhole, just like these samples right here. In here, this machine will allow you to go from 15 millimeters to 40 millimeters, which is much higher than inch and a half, maybe somewhere around there on the millimeter size. So that's pretty nice. In this bottom here, what you see here is the actually tail. So what I'm talking about when I mentioned the tail is this end here of the buttonhole. You can make this longer, or you have the option to also completely disappear the actually tail. This machine also have a nice function that I will show you now. You want to turn it off. If you want to do that, make sure the lights are off. As you can see here, you lift it up, then here, as you can see, you can make this machine into a flat buttonhole that is used a lot also on the jacket when you're making jackets. So once you bring the machine back down, turn it back on. Once the red light power is on, you press your foot control. Now, if you're gonna make something like that, what you wanna do is you want the machine not to cut. So what we're gonna do is sew without a cut, okay? We're gonna make the machine to bring the foot down, have the machine bring it down. Now the machine sews and without a cut. Why? I wanna show you now. So you sews and don't cut. So this buttonhole, as you can see here, these 2 buttonholes are made to use on the lapel jacket here, or you can also do it on the sleeve when you have a jacket. So you have a complete sewing machine here that will allow you to do all type of nice buttonhole. Okay, as you can see, the machine works. This is some leather that I have here in the shop. This is a different type of material. This is also synthetic leather. I don't have true leather here, but you can see nice buttonhole, nice, clean. Very good machine, you know, for the price and everything. Brand new. This machine goes for $11,000. I'm gonna show you some details on the website. You can Google it. It goes for $11,000. This one I'm gonna sell it for $7,400. Beautiful machine. If you want to get something like this for your private project, it's completely 100% completely quiet. Nothing, no noise at all, nothing. 100% quiet. Very good machine, very good quality, Japanese made, so it's nothing to sew better than this. Sewing Doctor, thank you for watching.